What you know about this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is move-in day. It is a little bit hectic. We got a lot going on. I am about to show you guys the entire empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I'm so excited. So we are just getting everything together in the apartment right now, just trying to like move stuff in and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys the entire apartment in just a second, but make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. So it's just a lot going on today, y'all. So anyway, this is the kitchen area right here. Okay, this is the living area right here. Obviously, this is a pretty open area and it has like a wall right here, just like for TV or something. And then the column right here, I love this column because I feel like it will look really, really cute for decor. Okay, so this is like kind of like the office bedroom or whatever. So it has this window here, which I love. The lighting is really good in here, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like. So obviously there's the window right here. Then there's this like wall right here with this protruding. That's why I didn't want this to be like a bedroom area. So this is the space in here. Then you have the closet space. Obviously the shelves are right here. Then there's like, you know, some area in here. So this is a pretty good walk-in closet area. Here is the bathroom. I just absolutely love the lighting in here, y'all. Like, the lighting is everything. Like, I'm just obsessed with like how the light is behind the mirror there. So there's double sinks in here, which I love. Here, let me straighten this out. So there's double sinks in here as well. And obviously this is the shower area, and it does have a seat, which I love. So I love this little bathroom area. So cute in here, y'all. And here is the hallway. We're gonna see this bedroom. This is going to be the main bedroom, and obviously there's the same window here, and you can kind of see the view outside. Then when you walk in here, it is the closet area, y'all. So here's a rack right here, which is enough space with the shelves. And then here is some more space right here. So it's really good. And then in here you have, I think this is gonna be my favorite bathroom, y'all, because I love these shelves right here. It's so cute. Obviously bathtub, I'm a bathtub girl, so definitely gonna be using that. And we have the same lighting in here with the double sinks. So I love that. Then as you walk in here, of course, is the kitchen area. So you do have like pretty good amount of like counter space and stuff. Here's a big island. I think I'm just gonna put like bar stools, but like turn it around because there's like rollers on it or whatever. So yeah, there's a window in the kitchen, so that's really, really, really nice looking. I just love this. I love this space. It's not too big, not too small. So this area, this living room area is of course my favorite because obviously the floor to ceiling windows. I just love this space and it's really spacious and the view is so nice, y'all. So as you can see, this is the view. Okay. Definitely love this space. Can't wait to, you know, do the decor and kind of figure out where I want like furniture to go, stuff like that. So I'm excited. Like this column, I've never had like a column like this in an apartment. So right now it looks kind of awkward. Like that looks awkward to me, but I think it's gonna look really cool like for the aesthetic or whatever. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, so that's pretty much the space. We're just bringing stuff in and trying to get stuff organized. But yeah, it's a lot going on today. So yeah, I'm just keeping this video kind of short. It's not gonna be too much to it. But yeah, so this area is gonna have a really nice couch area. This is gonna be like the couch area right here. And this is going to be like where I put the TV and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. And like I said, this column is like a little bit awkward, but not really, because I think it's gonna like block the sun when I have like a TV right there. So it'll probably look good. But yeah, I love the space. It looks really, really good in here. And this will be just kind of like the office area, y'all. So I don't know if I explained that before, but this is gonna be like the office area. And this side, this bathroom, I won't really be in that much because obviously it has the shower in here. Yeah, but it's a lot of storage in these bathrooms. Like I feel like you can put a lot in the drawers and everything. So there's really spacious with the amount of storage you get. So that's perfect. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I know it was kind of short, but I just wanted to show you guys like the empty apartment tour. So it's gonna be really short. We're gonna have like longer vlogs and longer like move-in stuff going on. So stay tuned for all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the new place. I absolutely love it. So back in Atlanta, and so I'm really, really feeling good about this, y'all. So I'm very, very excited or whatever. I wanted to like dress up and look cute. You know how like with moving, you don't like take out the time to like just sit down and look cute and just, you know, get made up or whatever. So I was just missing that. And I'm probably about to take some pictures for the move in. And I'm just so excited, y'all. Like, so excited. So anyway, I just want to show you guys my hair and makeup. And then I just have on like this little shirt that I got on Shein, but I tied it, y'all, and did some type of little shimmy in the front. And then I have on my Calvin Klein shorts. These are ribbed, and I got these like at an outlet store for Calvin Klein or whatever. So y'all can like, maybe I'll link it below if I can find them, but they were like a really good price, and I think they were like regular $50 or something like that, and I got them for like maybe 30. I can't remember, but anyway, they're really, really cute. I love these. They hug everything so good, and they're really cute. So anyway, y'all, so that's the outfit, and I'll probably just wear like a little bag with it. But yeah, I'm really excited. My hair looks so good, and I took the time to like wand curl it like strand by strand, and I think that's why it looks so cute. So yeah, y'all, I love the look. So we are about to take pictures, like I said, and then I'm probably just gonna like wind down for the night. I went to Trader Joe's, and we got like some, you know, frozen stuff and all of that or whatever. So I'm gonna probably make some of that, and yeah, that's really it for tonight, y'all. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.